This
Look
is
at
the
them, they're
face.
like perfectly lined up.
This is
too.
the face of a dinosaur in need.
You don't talk about that.
What? I come to T-pose.
This is a freaking cult, man. It's insane.
And here we see a wild griffin Richardson in his natural habitat, joining the seagulls. And there he goes out into the wild, surviving by only his wits and the survival equipment of the wild seagulls.
I don't want to scare the wild.
There's a bag of Cheetos.
Apparently,
There's a
as
bag of
news just in,
Cheetos.
this wild Griffin Richardson has found food, also known as a bag of Cheetos. Now come back next week for another episode of National Geographic.
I approve this message.
This is Colleen Sanders, and she approves of this message.
I have no authority to approve this message, but I still do.